So, in the first part of this session, you have seen that needle deflects the deflection of the needle in both the direction when the direction of the current changes. I hope everybody understood this picture. In one picture, the first picture, the needle deflects anti-clockwise direction, and in the second case, the needle deflects clockwise direction. Okay, so when the current passes from A to B in the first session, A to B towards the right, then the deflection is anti-clockwise direction, and when the current when the current is reversed, the deflection of the needle is clockwise direction. Now let us consider the magnetic needle placed above the conductor. Here the magnetic needle was placed below the conductor, and both the cases we have discussed the direction of deflection of the magnetic needle. We discussed in both the cases. Now let us consider the magnetic needle is placed just above the conductor. That is, conductor is at the lower bottom and the magnetic needle will be placed above it, and the current is given. So this here the current is given and the needle is placed this way, the current carrying conductor placed here, and this black end positive and this end sharpen and negative direction. And here you can see from A to B the current flows from A to B, and the magnetic needle placed just above the conductor. Okay, so the person who swims to look towards the magnetic compass, isn't it? And so what way he will swim? The direction of the, he has to swim in the direction of current as well as to look at the magnetic compass. So he has to swim the facing upward direction. Okay, he has to swim by facing upward direction. This way he has to swim. The face should be in looking at the magnetic compass and swims in the direction of the current. So while facing upward direction, his left hand points this side, and the magnetic needle in the first case shows deflection in this direction. So the needle deflects in this direction. And now but in the first case, when it is placed above, magnetic compass is placed below the conductor, it was deflecting anti-clockwise direction. But when the compass is placed above the conductor, above the conductor, the deflection will be in the opposite direction, that is in the clockwise direction. Okay, by changing the direction of the current or by the changing the position of the magnetic compass, the deflection will be different. The two ways we can get. Now in the next case, the compass, again the direction of the current changes by placing the magnetic needle above the conductor. Again above the conductor, here also he has to move, swim by facing upward direction, and in the direction of the current the person swims. Here positive this and positive and that and negative. So he has to swim in the direction of the current by looking facing to the compass. Then his left hand side is in that direction. So the magnetic needle will deflect anti-clockwise direction. So in this second case, when the magnetic compass is placed above the conductor, the second case from B to A, the current the deflection will be anti-clockwise direction. So all this you have noticed now, and you have to fill up the next page. One table is given that according to the swimming rule you have to fill in the blanks. So here according to that the questions are given. When switch on the circuit, observe the direction in which the north pole of the magnetic needle deflects and complete the table. When the direction of electric current is from A to B, what will be the direction of electron flow through it? So as you know, electrons flow from flows opposite to the direction of flow of current. So that is B to A. The current direction is A to B. The electrons will be flowing from B to A. So here B to A you have to fill up. Now in the second case you can see a table is here. So here in that table, direction of current, conductor above the magnetic field. When the conductor is placed above, that means magnetic needle below the conductor. So direction of current from A to B. The direction of motion of north pole of the magnetic needle. In which direction it deflects? Yes, in the first case we have seen the magnetic needle deflects anti-clockwise. And then direction of current from B to A, the second picture, B to A, the magnetic needle placed below. The compass is placed below the conductor, then clockwise. And here direction of current from A to B. But then this magnetic needle is placed above the conductor. It's mentioned above the conductor. Then direction of current from A to B, the needle will deflect clockwise direction. Then direction of current from B to A, it will deflect anti-clockwise direction according to Ampere's swimming rule. So fill these all now. So these are about the session about this deflection of magnetic compass near a current carrying conductor. I hope everybody understood this portion, and just go through this portions now today, and if any doubt you can contact me, and till the next session, bye.